everybody? Today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my left, you're looking at one of our brand new designs in terms of food trailers, food truck. Okay, this is going to be a stainless steel style food truck. Okay, it has openings on both sides. You have a counter for both sides as well. You got the wheels, tires, you got a hitch to connect it to your car. Okay, you also have on this side, you'll be able to locate plug for the generator, okay, for you to be able to use that electricity on the inside. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the inside. There is a step on the back. You have a door with keys that will be provided, okay, so you can lock this door. Also, you have a window right here on the door. Okay, so if you go ahead and open up this door, I'm going to go ahead and show you the inside. As I mentioned, you do have this step for you to walk inside. If you follow me over to the inside, we have our control system right here, all the electric. For all the electric, we have outlets all around this trailer. Okay, so we have many electric outlets where you can connect all your equipment for this unit or for this trailer. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and measure this unit for you. Left to right, you're looking at a total of 82 inches. Okay, now the length, you're going to be looking at about, let's see, about 9. Okay, so you're going to be looking at about 12 and a half feet on the inside. Okay, so 12 and a half feet. Also, you have lighting on the top. Okay, so you can turn on the light for the inside of this trailer. Also, everything's going to be insulated on the inside for this trailer. Okay, so you have insulation on the inside. As I mentioned, you have both our openings here. You can go ahead and close those doors up as well. Maybe you just want to have one side open, you can close this one up. Okay, so that's going to be a little demonstration on the inside for this trailer. Okay, now, lastly, before we leave or we go here, I want to go ahead and measure the height from the bottom floor to the very top of the food truck here. You're looking at 87 inches high, 87. Okay, and then there's also going to be a step right here. I'll just go ahead and measure that as well. You're going to be looking at about 74 overall height, and then from the step to the top beginning of the counter here, you're looking at 2 feet, 24 inches. Okay, so that's going to be the measurements for the inside of this trailer. Okay, so just like the other side, we have our opening that you can go ahead and close it up. You have the counter as well. You will be provided with everything you see here. Okay, so as you can see here, we have our tires, we have our hitch that you will be provided with as well. And as you can see, this is for you to hook it up to your car, your vehicle, for you to be able to pull it to your location. Okay, so that's going to be a little demonstration on that. And lastly, there is going to be a stainless steel plate that'll give you all the information needed for this food trailer. If you're interested in one of these food trailers, feel free to go on the website, coolerdepotUSA.com. We'll update more information on this trailer on the website, including the exact price or this exact style. Now, if you have any other questions regarding this trailer, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.